Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some eyeliner types for hooded eyes. So some of you might think that I don't have hooded eyes, but I do have. So let's get started. So if you are a beginner at makeup and if you don't know how to apply eyeliner, so your best friend will be tape. So I'm going to apply tape first. So you have to take the guideline of your lower lash line and then apply the tape. It has to be little slanting. So you can see if you have your hood here, then you have this space, so you can apply the tape little slanting like this, so your eyeliner will be here and it will be visible. So I am applying the tape here also. So as you can see, I have not applied the tape really close to my eye. I've kept little space here, see. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some gel eyeliner. If you don't want to work with gel eyeliner, that's fine. If you don't want to work with gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner, it's fine. You can work with eyeshadow also. Your look will be fine. Plus if you work with black eyeshadow, then the eyeliner won't look that precise and your hood won't be that much visible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some gel eyeliner and then smudge it with black eyeshadow. These eyeliners have the tendency to dry, so you have to take some eyeliner on your hand or your mixing palette and then apply it. So I'm just going to apply the eyeliner on the corner. Don't worry about it not being precise. We are anyway going to smudge it. We are going to smudge it little bit. Next, I'm going to take black eyeshadow and smudge it over the eyeliner that I applied. I've taken this pencil brush. There you have it. I'm going to add some mascara. So this eyeliner I'm going to show you is reverse eyeliner. For this eyeliner, I'm going to apply kohl on my lower waterline. Next, I'm going to take some gel eyeliner. So that's it for this eyeliner. If you want, you can create a wing here also. When you are applying eyeliner, always take support from your fingers. This is your reverse eyeliner. If you want to elevate it further, what you can do is take some more eyeliner and join it here. If you're happy with it, you can stop here, but if you want to elevate it further, then what you can do is take some brown eyeshadow. I'm going to take this shade and smudge it on the eyeliner. Next, I'm going to add some mascara. So if you liked any of the eyeliner, do let me know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.